What's up, guys? Yo, it's a beautiful day. You see the big smile on my face? Yo, I can't wait to get home today. I couldn't wait. First off, I want to say Merry Christmas to everybody out there in YouTube land. Thanks for tuning in. It's your boy Lance over at Crucial RC. We got packages today from some heavy hitters today. So let me show you what we got working out right here, because we got to pick out the last one, and then we're going in the house doing a little bit of unboxing. All right, there it is, baby. Last package for the day just came in, and I can't wait to get this in the house, man. Share this with you guys. So let's get at it, man. 2 more packages right here. All right, guys. So I've been in the middle of redoing this Baja right here. I actually picked this Baja up from my man Peter. You've seen Peter before. Lives by here in the 5th scale for a long time. And I needed a new Baja for a new project, and he's told me to reach out to him. He hooked me up with this nice purple and gray Baja here. I started stripping it down. I got the transmission apart. As a matter of fact, it's over there. Transmission tore it apart. Had to figure out what I need to order and all that good stuff. Bearings, doing some service on those. But for this build, like I said, I made this build specifically for a new engine that came out. My man Mike Taylor at Taylor RC. I've been waiting for this engine for a long time, and I finally got it right there, guys. Finally got it. So let me move some of the stuff out of the way up here, and then we're gonna get this on the stand and do a little unboxing. We also got some other goodies here from Detroit Performance and DDM, so we're gonna get all this up there. All right, guys, we're gonna start with this package here, and I believe this is from Detroit Performance. If I can get this thing open with one hand. Let's see what we got in this bag. All right, like I said, Detroit Performance. My man John hooked me up really fast. Sent out everything I needed ASAP. All right, next package here. This was from DDM. And like I said, guys, you know, welcome back to the channel. I want to say Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to everybody out there. It's almost Christmas time. Hope everybody's getting their shopping completed, getting it ready. This is my Christmas opening right here. I'm opening it with you guys. You know what I mean? I probably won't get much for Christmas. You know, that's part of the joys of getting older. You got kids. The kids is all about Christmas. All right? So this is my Christmas comes all year long. So I can't complain. You know, I'm able to share it with you guys. So this is for... There you go. Got the mint. There we go, DDM mint there. Open this baby up. Okay. Alright, let's look and see what this is. Alright, we got the metal diff for the HPI. There it is, the alloy diff case set. Comes with everything you need, really. Got the bushings. The only thing it doesn't come with your bearings. Your inner bearings here or your outer bearings. And like I said, of course you got your own diff cups that you're going to use, but it comes with all the seals. Got little small rubber O-rings down in there. There's the number. If anybody needs it. I was working with this plastic one here, and turned out the rubber O-rings, that big square O-ring, isn't even there. Wasn't even there. So I had to go ahead and make that order. Got me, you know, the alloy diff set. I'm not gonna order just reuse that plastic, so because it's gonna be a race rig. And then we have the Scorpion light and chassis here. Take this out the bag for you guys. There it is, light and chassis. And I got it in a raw aluminum. I wasn't gonna get black, but the raw aluminum seems to contrast with this with the purple on the shocks and all. So I wanted the raw aluminum to go with it, and I think it'll look real good contrasting together with each other. And plus, later on, if I decide, I could take this off and send it out to my man Travis Bateman and get it anodized purple or something. All right. And then we also have, I needed some rod ends for another Baja actually, for the C10 build, but I needed this. Here's the number for that, 85416. And then I forgot to tell you the number for the Scorpion chassis was right here. There it is. Lightweight chassis for the HPI Baja. All right, let me get all this out of the way, and then we're gonna get to the real nitty gritty of this video. All right, I'm sitting here eating this mint from DDM. Oh man, I love the mint from DDM. Here it is, guys, straight from your boy from the UK. My man Mike Taylor hooked me up. At least I hope so. He didn't send me no pictures of this engine. You know, I got a custom color on it and all, but he did send me a picture. So I'm hoping it looks good. But you guys gonna find out with me. We're gonna see if we can get this thing open and take a look at it. Like I said, I have been waiting for a long time for this engine. You know, he came out with the the version 1, and he had some problems with it. Then he came out with the version 1.5, and I think it was way better than the 1. But he still was not happy with it, so he came out with even more changes to it, and came out with the V2. The piston port came out. I didn't really run out there and grab it. I didn't grab it. Not really a piston port guy, to tell you the truth. I do have some piston ports, but when I was waiting for this, I had to have this in the reed. I wanted this in the reed. So the minute it came out, Mike hit me up and he said, "Look, I got the V2 that's ready to go. Are you still interested?" And I said, "Of course. You know, make that thing up for me, and we'll you know, see how it does." You know how we do it. We race all these engines, man. You know what I mean? We race all these engines. No shelf queens for me, really no shelf queens. I mean, so he put it together for me and sent it on out. So you guys are gonna be the first to see it. And matter of fact, I think this is my first. Yeah, this will be my first Taylor RC small bore. So I love Taylor RC engines, big. That's all. I run them things like it ain't nothing. So I'm sure the small bore is going to be just as beautiful for one, and just as powerful as any other small bore that's out there. So I had to get it. You know what I mean? I love engines. I got the ones I deal with, Chris Bartolone's. I got a couple Scott Finleys. I had a couple OBRs. What else did I have? The BZM. I had a BZM. Gizmo engines. I got them all. I got them all. You know what I mean? But I have been waiting for this for the longest time. So without further ado, man, let's go ahead and open this box. Man, I love this packaging. There it is, guys. Ha ha! Got that purple, got that grape, baby. That grape up in there. Yes, sir. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Got that purple with that silver drizzle on there. Will look awesome on that Baja. You know what I mean? This is going to look awesome on that Baja. Look at that, man. Got the Taylor pull start on there. Look at that. Taylor 35, baby. All right. Beautiful. Got that purple drizzle on there, boy. God, that junk look tight. That's one thing about Mike Taylor, boy. He makes some beautiful engines, boy. And when he said, you know, do you want it anodized? I said, most definitely. You know, put that purple on there. And I asked if anybody had done the silver drizzle. He said he didn't think anybody has. I don't think anybody has, but I haven't seen anybody. But you know, I like it. It looks really good. What else we got in this box? All right, we got the like choke lever. All right, we got, was that a FS clutch? Some bolts for the clutch there. Got the spring on there. Isolator. Your boy even sends a new string out. I'm guessing it's got a lot of compression on this thing. We're gonna find out in a minute though. What else we got in this box? Bonehead sticker. I don't know what's up with that. I think he put the wrong sticker in there. Some more gaskets. Yep, there it is right there. The clutch plate. Oh, there go the Taylor stickers. Yep. And what's this? Congratulations on your new Taylor 35 billet RC engine. For important advice and factory settings, please download the user manual. Dang, we downloading user manuals now for engines. What's this? 2 carb heat isolators are included for your 35 reed. The short one suits most cars, and the longer one is for the Baja that needs more clearance to the fuel tank. Okay. And we got guess he accidentally threw that in here. I don't know what that's for. Maybe that's for the kill switch. All right, so that's it. It's down inside there. I thought I had a carburetor in here. Let's see. Oh, there it is, right on the bottom. I'm about to say I got the choke lever. No carburetor. All right, so there's the carburetor right there. 1257, guys. That's what it is. 1257 carburetor. Awesome, man. We got all the pieces here to the puzzle. All right, now let's go take this thing and set it over here and see how good this is gonna look with that HPI, boy. Yo, that's perfect. That matches, like I said, with that Scorpion chassis. It's gonna be awesome. Look at that. Yeah, that's gonna be dope. That's gonna be dope. That's nice, man. And of course, I will be updating you guys on this build. I'm not gonna go step by step on here. Like I said, this is a race rig, so some things that are gonna be, you know, a little secretive or so, but I will update you as I get, you know, done with certain things and get things on here and let you see how this turns out. Of course, man, I got to think of a good name for this too. I mean, if you can think of a good name for this Baja, put it down in the comments. You know, let me know. But yeah, buddy, I can't wait. All right, guys, that thing looks perfect in there. I mean, it does look good with the purple on the shocks. And it will look real good with that new chassis on there, that new Lighten chassis from Scorpion RC. I just wanted to show you guys, man. And just wanted to say, you know, happy holidays to everybody. All the new guys, welcome to the channel. I will see y'all probably in 2024. I might drop another video for you guys this weekend. Something to watch for Christmas. But, oh my God, that's so pretty. But, you know, I'm going to be relaxing with the family. Like I said, they'll be home soon. I just had to shoot this video out and say happy holidays to everybody. And welcome aboard all the new guys. And I'll see you probably in 2024. All right? See y'all later, man. All right. Happy holidays.